First stop, Nick took me to
Crush.
his childhood snack
Smoothie spot.
This is breakfast. We are just gonna chill in the house so I can get ready, and then we'll go to the beach. Did I say good morning yet? No, I didn't. Good morning!
Good morning, all.
I finally made it to Puerto Rico when Nick was here.
After how many years? How many years?
Of him complaining. He's like, come to Puerto Rico, come to Puerto Rico.
It's so close. Why would you go to the Mexico or the GR? Just come to PR. We have friends
All
here.
inclusive resorts are nice. Y'all have seen some. Actually, y'all haven't even seen the nicest ones.
No, but
It's finally beach time. I'm not getting in the water yet. But here, listen to the waves. Today is gonna be a chill day. After 2 crazy long days, I finally got some sleep.
life of a social media manager. Yeah, you had to be in the water. What's up, guys? Taking over Ivy's vlog for a second here with my friend Luis. Ayo. Ivy's over here. And we're jamming by the beach. Planning.
We're just 2 single boys looking for 2 single ladies.
Yes.
We're caffeinated, vaccinated.
Yeah.
All ready for everything.
Facts. What?
I'm gonna have to censor that.
No, you will have to. It's on your vibe. It's on your thing.
I'm speaking Spanish. They're gonna be like,
Diablo cabrón.
Acho, oye, I feel like I'm 5 minutes.
They're single.
But he gets girls. I know.
So the 3 of them are single. If you guys know any girls.
I'm a Dill.
Oh,
I'm
Adele.
also a Dill. Holy shit.
Where's your daughter, huh?
My daughter's in my apartment. I should bring her out.
She's trying to look for a girlfriend.
There you go. Hot boy.
Oh my god, that's so cute! So cute!
Alright, so going back to selling us guys.
Oh, sorry. So both of them have all of this to offer.
Tenemos la isla de
We
encanto.
have a job. We're responsible people.
They're dog dads. They're both dog dads.
Right?
No debt, no debt, no debt.
No debt. And they have...
Well, you're traveling. You're multilingual.
Multilinguals. We're multilingual.
I'm almost multilingual. A little bit of Swedish, a little bit of German, a little bit of Portuguese. That's it.
Anyway, dating them will get you this. If you're from New York, it's freezing right now, so that's why I'm here. But dating them guarantees you
A place in Puerto Rico.
forever sunny weather.
Puerto
Forever.
Rico.
So if it gets warm in New York, you can stay in New York, but once it gets cold, they'll take you here. Mukbang!
This is called empanadilla de carne, beef or pork, but empanadilla is so hot, it's so good, crispy.
Beach day. Done.
Check.
Now it's time to eat. What are we eating?
We're gonna eat some pizza. And then right across the street is a Spanish bakery called Casalta. It's very famous because Obama went there to get food. And they're very popular for their sandwiches and their Spanish food. But then she wants to get tembleque. So bakery should have that.
Which is apparently like a coconut pudding sort of situation.
Yeah, something like
Yeah.
that. I haven't had it in a while.
We were asking the waiter and he was like, oh, it's only a Christmas thing. And I was like,
It is a Christmas thing. And yesterday was the end of Sanse.
Yeah, the last day.
Which kind of marks the end of like the Christmas holidays.
okay, let's hope they'd still have tembleque. This is such a dude meal.
Breakfast of champions.
Sheesh. So what do we have here?
So we
got
got
fries.
potatoes, mayo ketchup, which is like the sauce.
Uh-huh.
And then we got chicken,
Sausage.
ham, sausage. That's it.
And
What?
cheese, of course. All right. Cheese pull?
We're gonna eat this and then we're gonna do a 5-mile run after this for sure. Nope. Yeah, here we are.
Definitely not. We got a cheese pull. And
That's a good cheese pull. For Ivy?
oh wait, do this.
Ivy, what cheese?
I'm okay.
She can't handle cheese.
Hey, shut up. We got tembleque, which is a coconut pudding. That's it, right?
Yeah, it's a coconut
Just a
pudding.
coconut
with
pudding.
some cinnamon on top.
Some cinnamon.
It doesn't have that rice.
Yeah, it's a little
There's
bit.
no rice.
But I don't think this one had it. How is it?
Be honest. Don't
Be honest. Be honest. Be honest.
shit.
Be honest.
It just tastes like pudding. It just tastes like coconut pudding. Like
Yeah.
nothing crazy.
I want to take a try.
Here.
Give me a second. Cameraman gets to eat.
I feed my cameraman.
I paid for everything. Dude, it's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, good. No. Nothing crazy. We cleaned up a little and now we are gonna go see what's left of the sunset at Old San Juan.
Howdy, partner.
Where are we?
We're El Morro. This is San Felipe. Castillo de San Felipe.
People are flying kites here. It's very, very cute.
It's not that bad, right?
No, it's not that bad. If I fall,
And that's a behind the scenes of how to shoot photos of Ivy. In editor, which is Ivy, you better add this part in. These came out fire. I fucking cooked.
add that to his spec list. Spec list. Insta boyfriend material. Woo. He doesn't even need training. He trained himself. Wait, this is so pretty. Can you move?
I'm trying to get my shot, alright?
I got you. I got you. We are now headed to La Factoria, which is one of the world's top 50 bars. Yeah, top 50 bars. So, I might have a little drink. Damn.
So there's there's like 5 or 6 speakeasies inside.
Oh.
And like 3 of them are like hidden, but like that's a popular one. There's like a salsa room here.
Oh.
Let me tell my friend that.
But we're not able to go in
He
because
recommended another
they're
spot.
closed today.
He recommended another spot that's actually where we're heading.
Okay. Apparently this is a mini cookie. I don't know about how mini that is, but these are the large cookies.
We have an alcoholic right here because we couldn't go to Factoria.
This is gonna be like cookie and alcohol taste test. So you already opened yours. You're supposed to stick it in the cookies.
Oh, really?
Okay. How do I make this aesthetic? How does one make this aesthetic?
Oh no, you tried too hard, I'll tell you that. In your social media world, definitely like it's all set up. I am like raw. I like it raw.
Okay, I got the coquito. And Nick's already drinking his Don Q Coco. What is that?
Rum, coconut rum. It's really good.
I can't drink coconut rum.
Why?
I drank too much Malibu. And I died. Wait, are we just gonna drink this or are we not?
No, you put it in the.
Which cookie is this? Oh, check flavors here. I think this is the guava. This is the dulce de leche, and then this is the coquito. You just like and squeeze it. Oh, whoa!
I think this is the right way too. Did you see that?
Some alcoholic
It's
cookies.
in there.
Those are some crazy cookies.
Just straight up. You gotta squeeze it in your mouth. That came out wrong. You don't say that. Dude, it's so hot in here. What the hell? Yeah, it's coconut rum. Don't die.
I didn't taste it. I didn't eat the part with coconut rum.
You don't know which side has it.
I would
The left side.
be able to taste it.
Yes, so it's very flexible. And then the other job is with Ricardo Bordero.
I shall try.
You should follow her YouTube.
Like and subscribe.
Not on brand.
Whose drink is whose? What do you guys
Actually,
think?
I think I would have gotten this one. This one looks really good.
You would have gone this one, so clearly this one isn't yours. The girliest drink is his, actually.
I don't even like red.
Well, cocktail time. Last night in Puerto Rico.
I hope you liked it. It's pretty good. Ahora me voy a poner rojo.
You wanna try? This matches me so much more than you. It's very...
It's like Capri Sun or fruity.
Yeah. That's good.
You did not make the face that you was doing.
No, it is good. It's just tart.
Wow, what a bitch.
What a bitch.
Lemony.
This is such a fancy bottle. This is a fancy bottle of water.
Yeah.
Product of Spain.
Yeah.
Damn. Okay, let me drink my water.
Her name in English is Isabel. Fountain.
What?
Fountains.
Fountain?
Fuentes. Fountain.
Oh wow, look at this cap.
European caps are like that. Even in St. Bart's, all caps are like that. I was like, bro, this is genius. Why don't we have this?
Right?
Because then like the caps will fly away.
Yeah. Wow, it tastes like tap water. Okay, what do we have?
We have osobuco, arroz manposteado, this rice and beans already mixed,
And then we also have
shrimp risotto.
risotto. Let's
Ahora
eat.
Here, probar.
Is this an oxtail though? This is an oxtail.
It's pork.
Ah, it's pork. Wow.
Yo soy un fanático del bávaro.
Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Good morning. I'm looking a little busted, but I'm on my way home from Puerto Rico now. Back to the cold New York I go. I am not excited for the weather when I land. It's apparently the coldest day of this week, so that's not great. But yeah, see you guys on the next trip.